All right, welcome back to another episode of The Catcherman. I'm Carlos the Catcherman. This is my wife over there, Angela, and my two kids. And today's adventure, we're off to try to catch some striper and some sturgeon. We'll take anything right now. We're just trying to have some fun with the girls, get them out for the day, and have some fun.
Whoa! Ready? Okay, sit down. Whoa, sit down. So now I need to get out?
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting ready to launch the boat. Right there with the wife and kids. Got the Subaru in tow. And it's looking like a beautiful day out. We're on the Zuma Slough right now, getting ready to launch. We're probably gonna head out to the big waters out in Suisun, Grizzly Bay, and try to catch some striper, some sturgeon, whatever we can get on. We're limited on bait because they didn't have any grass shrimp at the tackle shop, which is what I would usually use, but not today. So that's okay. Right now it's the incoming tide. I think high tide's around 12:30. It's about 8:30 right now, so hopefully we can catch the high tide and then maybe fish a little bit of outgoing later on. But yeah, we're gonna head out to the big bay, the Grizzly Bay, Suisun Bay, for a while. If we don't catch anything, maybe we'll head back into the sloughs, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, let me show you the bait that we're working with, and then all the gear and all that stuff, and I'll let you know. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on the water. We'll go ahead and already launched the boat, so that's a good plus. Already launched the boat, so let's go ahead now and try to catch some fish. Okay, those of you guys are curious what I got. I like to have night crawlers anytime it's been raining. You got some fresh water going through the system. Just some night crawlers. They didn't have any grass shrimp, so I went with the pile worms. We'll see how those do. And then I got the ghosties. That's the main ingredient right there. Ghosties. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and bait up right now. The current's fairly strong, but we're not in super deep water, so I'm using 8-ounce pyramid. I got my this is an old Casey's Custom leaders, but just sturgeon leader. We got a little, this is a 3/8 ounce. I'm not too sure, it's very small. But yeah, and then I got a little bait stopper, and I'm gonna rig that up with rig him up with Ghost Malone, nice and fresh and wiggling around. And I just hook this. I do it simple. A lot of guys like to put a couple on there. They like to wrap it with a bunch of magic string, the wrap. But I like to just keep it simple. Just throw them straight on. Mom. Just like that. Okay, and then throw the bait button on. This isn't like the brand bait button, but it is a type of like bait holder. Right. So it's the cheaper version. You don't have to go out and spend $10 on a couple little bait buttons. But that's it. And you just throw it out there and let it sit. Yeah, we'll see how long it takes before we get a bite. But we're looking good, feeling good. And then I did want to meet them. got it. You gonna put it on your head? There you go. You gonna put the beanie on your head. You gonna practice? Go put it on your head. On your head. There you go. There you go. Oh, almost had it. I'm ready to take a nap, babe. It's crazy. I'm hella comfortable right here. Alright, let me give you guys a little update here. So, Tessa just woke up, so they're looking for snacks. The other two are still asleep. I got a couple bites already, however, no hookups. Seemed like they're just short striking it. Like, I don't know, the first two bites maybe could have been striper and they just took the lure. The last one was definitely a sturgeon, I think. He hit it once and then just didn't come back. Uh-oh. Everyone's awake now. Yeah, let me go get this little snack and then we'll keep fishing.
Here we go. Here, Vanessa. Can you record Daddy first? Hurry. Record Daddy.
Look, when do you have what's that?
Some fish bait.
Okay. It's a little guy.
Oh, okay.
He got it.
Why is my cameraman not recording me? Come on.
I'm trying to get this out.
Whoa, jump! Come on.
I'm trying to get this out.
Whoa, jump! Whoa. Good catch, dude. Oh no.
Hand it back. Oh. Never mind.
That's right in the boat.
Meanwhile, these two are fighting for the chips.
Oh no.
Look, it's still there. He's still fighting.
I don't know if you can. In my jacket. Oh.
Get the net.
Yeah, that's a good size. Oh yeah.
Whoa! Yeah, that's a solid size.
Dude, that's solid. Oh!
Keep an eye on Esteli.
I think you can still net it.
It's a weird angle, babe. I gotta go on.
Yeah. Honestly?
Oh no.
Here. Hold the rod. Just hold the rod. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo, we got her in. Sorry for the terrible camera work. We got one. Wow. Alright.
Sorry if my fingers are spicy.
Wow.
Guys, girls see the fish?
Wow.
Wow. Woohoo! Just throw it over the boat. There you go. Alright, we got one. Beautiful.
That's a what?
Here.
That's a sturgeon, Mama. Yeah. There we go.
Fish. You want to touch it, Vanessa? Touch it.
Touch it. Yeah, gentle hands.
Hey, you want to touch?
Wow.
Wow, it's so
That's the
big.
fish on Daddy's arm.
Here, we gotta measure.
That's yours, Dada. Is that yours?
See?
That's my nut. That's my nut.
Oh, I'm sorry, your
That's
snacks. Not the snacks.
Not the snacks, Dad.
She does have really sharp scutes on her. By the way, for those of you who don't know, scutes are the bony sides right here. So these little sharp things, the diamonds on them, they're bony. These are bones. They're very sharp. Okay.
There's that one.
Let's get her back in.
Bingo.
Yeah.
There's a bingo.
Alright, come here, Stevie.
There's a bingo on it. There's on
Woohoo!
that one. There's on
She's
that
about
one.
an esteli and a half. Okay. Okay, let's throw her back now. Let's get the release on her. Nice and safe into the water. Hey.
Come watch Daddy put the fish back.
Oh yeah, what a beautiful fish. It's a little beat up. That's okay. We don't judge. There she is. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, girls, how was that? They're strong, I think. Maybe not. I don't know.
Oh
Maybe
man.
something little. I have seeds in my mouth. Sorry. What is this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah,
Are
Mom.
those knives or something? Oh.
No, there's something.
Oh!
Mom.
All right.
The baby pig. A baby pig. Ah.
All right. Look. You want to touch it? Gentle hands, Mama. Gentle. You want to hold it? Hold it. Go hold it. Put your finger in there. Nom 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 nom.
Excuse me.
Yeah, go. Hold it like that.
With your thumb.
Put your thumb in this mouth. This finger.
Your thumb. That.
And
There
now
you go.
pinch. Pinch. Grab. Hard. 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 You want to throw it back? Here you go. Throw it back. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's hitting.
Aw.
It's okay. I'll wash it. Kiss it. Kiss.
Ew.
Go kiss the fish. All right,
Now
let's
you
go
gotta kiss it. That's not fair.
Mwah.
Ew.
Okay, back. Going back. Come here.
Ew.
Say bye, fishy. Mwah. I'm gonna
Babe.
throw it back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Mommy, I have.
Mwah.
That's my
I
daddy.
love you.
That's my daddy, Mom.
That's your daddy? Where? What's your daddy's name? His name is Carlos.
We have to wear it, Mom.
We have to reel it.
I have to wear it.
You're doing great. Good job. Keep reeling.
Mom.
Good job, Vanessa. I guess we're reeling up.
All right. Wifey's on one. Oh, sick. Solid. Oh, watch out. Oh, yeah. Look, Nini's. Woohoo. You got one. All right. Hey, you wanna get this one? I'll record you. Is that keeper? That might be a little short.
I think that's a little short.
It's close though.
We don't keep anything under 28 anyway, so.
Shut up. I'm keeping it if it's 17.9. Just kidding.
It looks pretty short.
We can measure for funsies. Wow.
Keeper?
We can measure for funsies. It might be like 16. My guess is 16. You want to take a guess?
14.
14? Nah, definitely not 14. All right, let's measure. Alrighty. Here.
Gentle.
I have more. Got more.
Where's she at? Oh, you were right. It is like, oh, actually, it's like 16.
No.
You measure by the tail, yeah. It's like 16. Here. Proof. Proof. Whoa! Alright, you can send it back.
You want to push it? You want to put it back in the water, Vanessa?
By the way, Esteli's watching a video. It's her as a cat. Bye, fishy.
Bye, fishy.
I did not get the release.
That's okay. It wasn't bad.
Yeah. Well, while we were picking up our lines to head out, Angela found a little surprise on her line.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, no.
Here,
And that's how you know it's time to go home. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that will conclude our day for today. We caught a couple shaker striper, a nice, it was a pretty decent sturgeon, you know, nothing huge, but it was put up a good fight. And yeah, it was pretty, overall, it was a fun day. I really enjoyed myself. Did you have fun, girls? Yeah, they had fun. There was some crying and other stuff in between. A lot of emotions in the boat, but that's okay. We had a good time.
Oh, thank you.
All right, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us on an adventure. We'll catch a big fish next time, guys. We're out. Peace.
Meow.